The most important rooms of the house. Bathrooms and kitchens are the most influential rooms when selling a home. Spending a little more time here can reap big returns. Here are a few suggestions. The bathrooms. Repair loose tiles and grout. Replace old tub and tile caulking. Concentrate on counter corners, shower corners, and base of the toilet. Clean all mildew from walls, windowsills, and ceilings. The kitchen. Clean ovens, cooktops, and exhaust fans. Clean and deodorize refrigerator and dishwasher. Wash fronts of cabinets and secure handles. Are the kitchen or bathroom counters and cabinets in bad condition or outdated? If so, updating them will almost always get you more money in the form of a higher selling price than it costs to update them. If you're concerned about whether you can get your money out of fixing certain things up, give me a call. I can tell you what will and what won't get you a higher selling price.